And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
That band of rain with a little isolated thunderstorm or two lifting northward very slowly. Now, we've had some decent rains here in our northwestern counties since midnight last night. It's still pouring at a good clip there. Mary Ann's pushing, well, she's pushing 1.5 inches likely now. We've had nearly 2 inches of rain up here near DeMont at multiple locations from Fowler and Boswell back to west of Pine Village. We've had more than 1.5 inches of rain. Same applies to White County, well over 1 inch of rain here. But boy, once you go southeastward, it's not raining and there's not much. We've had only around 1/10 of an inch of rain in parts of Howard County. And at last check, a little more than 4/10 of an inch of rain at the Purdue Airport. But our storm system is still back here. Now it's going to lift northeastward. It'll pull this rain north of us tonight. So we will dry out tonight largely. And a chunk of tomorrow is going to be pretty dry, but it's late afternoon, and especially tomorrow evening, whenever all this has to pivot through our area and we get more rainfall. And then after that, after we dry and cool a little, this system here dives southeastward. It'll pump the moisture northward, and we're looking at more rainfall by the weekend. And then we've got Rafael right down here. Tropical storm will likely be perhaps a Cat 1, Cat 2 hurricane as it moves over Cuba, moves into the Gulf, and may make landfall as a low-end hurricane or a high-end tropical storm, most likely that Louisiana to Mississippi corridor on Saturday. Now for us, the thing is, a lot of its rain will stay southeast of us, but we've got our own system that I'll show you coming our way again for the weekend with Futurecast that we just talked about. All right, so all that said, the wind cranks up tonight. We've got gusts 35 to 47 overnight, and that rain shuts off with temperatures record warm in the 60s. Tomorrow's low to mid 70s. You know, we're 2 degrees from a record high tomorrow in Greater Lafayette. The record 76 at 1975. There's the drier weather through morning. We start to get a few more showers, a couple thunderstorms into the afternoon, and then it's much more widespread come evening. But a howling south-southwest wind, gusts 40 to 53. We got the wind advisory up for tomorrow with that warmth around. Then it's cooler Wednesday. The clouds break up, clear out. It's a nice afternoon, mid-50s to right around 60 with a much lighter northwest wind coming in. So there's Futurecast. Again, your rain lifting northward tonight. There's kind of how it shuts down. Anything left tomorrow morning will be a little more spotty or very isolated here in our northwest. And then we watch the rain coming back in tomorrow afternoon. This is 4, but watch the line right here. It's not very unstable, but it's awfully sheer. There's a lot of spin, and when you see a little cool season line of storms or heavy rain like this, you gotta watch for a random isolated severe storm embedded in that. A random severe gust or a random very short-lived little EF0 tornado spin up in these little nodes or these little S shapes in the line. So we got to watch that. That would tend to occur between 6 and 9 p.m. tomorrow evening. And then once that jets out of here, we shut the rain off, we dry out. There is the tropical storm or hurricane here, but there's our storm we were talking about. That will bring us rain late Saturday and into Sunday. Right there it is. More soaking rain to really get rid of this drought. 74 tomorrow, giving way to a 59 Wednesday. A little fog in the mornings Thursday, Friday, but after cold starts, the afternoons look good. Wet for the weekend, some low clouds on Monday, but then we warm it back up into the 60s by next Wednesday with more rain coming back in next Thursday.